morning, beautiful, amazing, majestic unicorns. Welcome back to my channel. I have a dog. I have two dogs. One is Leia, a German Shepherd. One is Snickers, a chocolate lab, who is sometimes just a shit. She's the color of shit, and she is a shit. It is 5 something in the morning because I woke up to her having pooped in the bedroom. I can be asleep for another hour, but I woke up. I had a hard time going to sleep. Could not go to sleep. Could not go to sleep. Finally went to sleep about 2, and now it's 5:15. We're gonna have a great day. Leia seconds that motion. We're gonna see what this day brings us, and I will check back in maybe for a good morning on my way to work. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in just a little bit. Good morning. We are on our way to work. 7:20. Already partway to Dunkin' Donuts. Don't have to be too concerned about that. For a change. It is cold. I have on like my jacket itself is 3 layers, and then I have on a sweatshirt, then I have on a shirt, then I have on whatever I have on. But yeah, it's cold here in the NYC. It is cold. So yeah, I'm gonna stop and get my Dunkin' Donuts, because what would a morning be without Dunky Do? What would it be? It wouldn't be a normal morning. And I look like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, like this jacket, because it's so, like, I got tons of room, but because it's so big, but it's so warm. So I'm not gonna complain. I love big jackets. So anywho, let's have a great day. Let's kick it out of the park. Let's enjoy our Wednesday. Our hump day. I do believe it's hump day. So I will check back in later. Everybody have a great day. Hello, and here we are in the middle of the afternoon. I have just eaten a piece of pizza, which I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza. But it makes me want to vomit. It makes me want to vomit. My stomach just can't handle it. But I love it. And I have my coffee, I have my pizza. I know, weird freaking combos, but coffee goes with everything in my life. And pepperoni pizza is a like once every couple of months thing, because then I remember how horrible my stomach is with it. It's not good. Today is a little bit of a bittersweet kind of day. One of my coworkers is moving on to a new school and into a new position. Better for him all around, so that makes me happy, of course, because I want nothing but the best for the people that I care about and the people in my lives and the people that, you know, I may not even know. I still don't wish anybody ill. I want the best for everybody. So tomorrow will be his last day with us, and I will be bidding him a farewell, but I'll still see him every morning, so, because he brings somebody to work, so I don't feel so bad. But it should just change the dynamics of the classroom a little bit. And if you know me, I don't like change very much. Me and change get along a little bit, just a little bit. But, so yeah, I was just checking in, saying hi, letting you know that I, being accountable, I ate pizza. Like, I put on Corona whatever pounds, right? So I want to lose the Corona whatever pounds. But I can't do it if I keep eating donuts and pizza. Frickin' Homer Simpson. Fat ass Homer Simpson. That's what I am. Fat ass Homer Simpson. the things that come to my brain. That's it. I'm not going on like a strict diet, but I'm going on a, you're going to do better, Misty. All right, I will check in at Pillow Talk, I am sure. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get a notification whenever a video goes live. Love each and every one of you. Hi, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Go ahead, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell so you get a notification when the next video comes up. Can't believe I did 2 in a row. Well, I skipped one day, but can't believe that we're on vlog 2. Again, it is for me to remain 100% accountable to myself, 100% checked in to my hobbies, and not 900 different hobbies, but a few select handful. We'll definitely get into talking about some mental health issues coming up soon and content video, so you'll just have to wait and see. And until then, I hope you enjoyed Pillow Talk. I love each and every one of you. I hope everybody has a super day tomorrow.